How you doing, everybody? My name is Justin Schwartz. I'm the founder and managing director of the DJsGuru.com. Want to welcome you here and let you know that we are your guide for buying DJ gear online. So what is the DJs Guru exactly? What we're doing here is we're flipping retail and we are working for you, the buyer. It's not just about what's best for us. We're looking at what's best for your needs and what's best for your business, because if you're going to buy something, you should get a return on that investment, and it should enhance and better you or your business in some way or the other. And that's what we're going to help you find. So give us a try today. You can reach us at our phone number up top, or email us up top, or you can hit us on the chat or any of our social medias at the DJs Guru. And we have a live chat right here on our site as well. So feel free to reach out to us there. We look forward to helping you to learn, grow, and succeed. And as always, I'll see you on the flip side.